Okay, day 2, morning, the second day in Yuma. It is 5:46, got up at 5. I'm gonna repack my bags because I need a better system today. The plan for the morning is to just do about 117 miles straight on I-8 to Gila Bend and loop south on some state roads. Ultimately tonight I want to end up in Silver City, New Mexico. It's kind of an ambitious day, but it is my first full day on the bike. I got a good breakfast. I've got almost a full tank. Hopefully I can get the whole way to Gila Bend. I'm not making much progress, but I'm having a good time. So I just turned on 86 and instantly it felt lonely. Like this road will have nothing on it. I wouldn't say that I'm bored, but I'm definitely ready for a break. I'm getting a little sore. I need to stand up. I am tired of this road bouncing me around like this. And I'm getting a little bit hungry. So, unfortunately, these towns that I've passed through have been nothing more than just a couple of, abandoned buildings. So I'm just gonna have to push through to Tucson, it seems like, which is still about 60 miles away or so. I did about 270 miles this morning. I took my time, took some scenic routes, stopped more than I normally would have. So now, the plan is to make up for that a little bit. I'm gonna go, I think it's about 100 miles to Tombstone, but I'm gonna take this same state road up to I-19 over to I-10 for a little bit, because I really do want to make it into Bisbee and Tombstone and see that part of the state too. Got lost, not really lost, but just made a wrong turn in Douglas and ended up at the border. But now I am headed towards Silver City. day, but I'm oddly energized by this sunset. I mean, that is just so cool.
Okay, day 2. I got in late, I mean not late, it was 8:30 and the restaurants had closed already. About 550 miles total. Started in Yuma. I-8 all the way to Gila Bend, 85 around all this way. Tucson, got an I-10 to... Where's 80? Right here. Then down to Tombstone and Bisbee and all around to Douglas. Then back up 80 to I-10 for a little bit to Lordsburg to 90 to Silver City.
Thanks for watching day 2. If you enjoyed that, don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for day 3. I'll ride through Gila National Forest and end up in Marfa, Texas under a West Texas sunset. Thanks for watching.